Welcome to this tutorial on JavaScript local and session storage. So, what is local storage? What is session storage? Local storage are data sets that we can use to store data on the client's computer. Session storage only exists for as long as the browser is open. We have a method .setItem which allows us to set a key value on that storage interface. We also have a remove item which can remove an item by its key from the storage interface. And then we have local storage.getItem, which will return the item based on the key from the storage interface. And then we have local storage.clear, which will remove all of the items in local storage. So briefly, we'll look at this. The local storage read-only property of the window interface allows you to access a storage object for the document's origin. The stored data is saved across all browser sessions. And we have session storage. So the read-only session storage property accesses a session storage object for the current origin. Session storage is similar to local storage. The difference is that while data in local storage doesn't expire, data in session storage is cleared when the page session ends. So we can inspect these by going to the Dev Tools, clicking on Application, and then clicking on Local Storage. We can remove an item by its key. The remove item method of the storage interface, when passed a key name, will remove that item from the given storage object if it exists. The storage interface of the web storage API provides access to a particular domain's session or local storage. Storage.getItem will get an item, and the method of the storage interface, when passed a key name, will return that key's value or null if the key does not exist in the given storage object. Storage.clear, the clear method of the storage interface, clears all keys stored in a given stored object. So this storage.clear will remove all keys in a given storage object. So why do I care? Understanding the difference between local storage and session storage is very important. Local storage is retained indefinitely, and session storage is lost once the session is ended. What do I need? VS Code and the Mozilla developer documentation that we just saw. How do I do it? Simply take the code in front of you here and add an item to the local storage with a first name key and a value of John. Pause the video here and try it yourself. This is a working example. You can see here we're adding a key with last name and a value John. So the main features of local storage are shared between all tabs and windows from the same origin, and the data does not expire. It remains after the browser restart and even OS reboot. Session storage object is used much less often than local storage.